Hey ladies, it's my daily live since I've been doing live videos almost every day. But I did get a handful of things I wanted to show you, and I wanted to show you some really cute mixes. So I'll wait a second, let a couple people hop on, and we will dive in. So I shared from Instagram, the aviators are back in stock, and there's new colors, and they're on sale. Hi, Bethany. So don't miss them. I just said if you missed, I guess I do lives every day now. So this is my daily live. Happy Tuesday. I think it's, no, Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. But yeah, let's dive in. I'm going to be moving around a lot, so I'm just going to hold the camera today. But I restocked the aviators in silicone today, SP137. And there's some new colors. We didn't have them in white before, and we didn't have them in yellow. Where are the white? Oh, they're under here. So these are really adorable. If you did not see them, they used to be $6.99. They're on sale right now for $5.25. So these are on the website, and it's about to rain. Actually, it is raining here in Colorado, so it's a little overcast. No, Jennifer, it's not all teething stuff today. There's a couple of acrylic and alloy pendants today, but still the main acrylic solid pearl rhinestones haven't made it. So hopefully that will be later this week. They've cleared customs, but they haven't moved since. So hopefully that will be still this week. So you can find the aviators in all these different colors. SP137. Everything is a mess on my counter, as you can see, because I've had so many odds and ends boxes that I've been going through and photographing today. Pink dinosaurs, the alloy pendants or silicone, because we have both. Hi, Casey. So these are those aviators. And then the teepees. Those are back in stock. They're also on sale, down from $6.99. They are now on sale for $5.25, and we have new colors in those, including mustard. So we didn't, again, it's kind of overcast here today, so it's hard to see how truly pretty it is. So we have the mustard, that's new. Teal is new. So there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors, I think. And I kind of laid this out just to show you guys. Look how cute these are. So we've got the teepee in pale pink, terrazzo beads with a couple of hexagons in mint and some light pink, and then I did some light gray. You could do so many different things with these. They're so, so, so cute. Jennifer, the pink dinosaurs and the green dinosaurs alloy pendants were both restocked today, and that was one thing that I was going to show you guys. So, oh, actually, this was restocked today too. Not dinosaurs, but those are around here. This is brand new today. This comes in 5 different colors. Green, a medium pink. This is what we were looking for. So the green dinosaurs is H41. Jennifer, those are back in stock. And then the pink ones are P120, and those are back in stock. And then here's some more of the mermaid fins. Those are new today. And there was, what else is new? There was another new alloy pendant today. Besides, oh, there's a unicorn whale. I cannot remember what the SKU is though, because there's a lot of them over here. From our, it's shared from our Instagram here. So you can see my mess that I have going. But those were restocked. And then of course, like I said earlier, the teepees, new colors in stock, and they're on sale. They were $6.99. They're $5.25 on sale, as well as the aviators. So check those out. Dawn 12 millimeter frost line green. Those are on the way too, but I just don't have a date right now as to when they will be here. Casey says, any guess on 20 millimeter black rhinestone matte and pearl? That's with that acrylic shipment. So it's a really big shipment. There's actually more than one. It's been split up. There's a couple of them, and they have made it through customs, but they haven't been updated since. So there's still a really big delay on shipping just due to the pandemic around the world. So I do hope that they get in soon. And I will update as soon as they get here. I got a small acrylic shipment today, but not for those items. They were from a different factory. But this is one new thing today. So these are pool party rhinestones. They're located in the birthday or in the confetti rhinestone thing. I shared it from Instagram so you can find it. They're super pretty. I thought it kind of looked like lemonade by the pool, so I went with pool party. And then there are 2 new Dream Shimmers, and all of the Dream Shimmers restocked today, as well as the bubbles, minus the Tiffany and Dream, because they accidentally sent me mint blue. So we have a lot of mint blue, but we will have the Tiffany soon. But this is the new dark purple and Dream. Very pretty, available in sets of 10, and there are some bulks of 50. And then I'm trying to do this one-handed. I should have set the camera up. Then we got Plum in Dream. Sorry, the camera's just all over the place. So here's Plum in Dream, which is really pretty. And those are in the Dream category. And I also added a mauve, which I did not link anywhere. So this is kind of the first you're going to see this, because I didn't post anything, like socially post anything. I can get them open. But it's in the pink rhinestone category in 20 millimeter. And they're mauve AB. They're really pretty. When I ordered them, I was kind of hoping they were going to be a rose gold. And I suppose you could do them as kind of a rose gold. But I would shoot for more of a mauve on these. So these are available in 5 count and 10 count under the 20 millimeter pink rhinestones. And more big news for today. Look at how cute these are. I'm actually going to show you right here. So these are brand new. These are silicone clips. How cute are these? They're big, you can see from my hand, which is awesome. They're super soft. And they're leopard. So we have them in the Mickey and we have them in traditional round. But these are so cool. They are so gorgeous. They're so soft. They're so pretty. So check those out. And finally, the cow silicone made its way in. So we've got 12, 15, and 19 millimeter in the cow silicone beads in stock, ready to ship. So you can find all of those on the website too. And I think that might be it for today, because I had a lot of random boxes from like 4 different factories that came in that I was going through. So it was kind of one of those days where I was tying up loose ends with just boxes, shipments sitting around that I needed to get through before this acrylic shipment makes its way in, which I hope is very soon, because I know you guys need it and I do too. So yeah, go check this out. The cow in 19, 15, and 12 millimeter is on the website. Take advantage of the sale on the teepees and the aviators, because these were $6.99. I just got a big shipment in of them, and I thought, what better way to kind of restock than with a sale on them. So it'll say on sale, and they are $5.25. So over $1. Almost $2 off on those, which is really great. Christina says, are the silicone leopard clips? Yes, they are. They are silicone leopard clips. They are so pretty. That's one thing that held up my teepees and my aviators was I was waiting for these to finish being produced. So these are a new item. Not very many people have them yet. So these are brand new. And look at how great that they look. So awesome. They look so great with some super fun stuff. So yeah, everything that we have talked about here is already on the website. I linked everything to Facebook, to Instagram, so you can find it. Go check it out. See how cute these terrazzo beads look with different pendants. Isn't that fun? There are no more questions. I'm going to pop off. I've got probably 10 orders that have come in while I've been trying to upload stuff. And as always, I will get everything shipped quickly for you. The shipping issue from yesterday, I think, has been resolved where they marked them wrong, but we'll see by the end of the day. So I truly apologize if you were affected by that. Oh, and I did restock the lemons in silicone, the lemons and the limes. Those came in today. So, yeah. Anybody have any questions or want to see anything here in person? Oh, these two. I guess I should hit on these because these have been sold out, and I know everybody's been wanting these. They're the 70 millimeter wood rings are back in stock, and the 40 millimeter are back in stock too. And I'm not playing around. I got 100 of them this time. So I know you ladies love these. And Christina says I got the new llama pendant in, and I believe that we are sold. No, we have one left. This is it. We sold 50 of these in a week, or less than a week. So this actually might be gone already. I have a stack of orders. It's SP166, but I have more on the way, so don't worry. I also got the original alpaca. I think it's 138 back in. I'm right. It's 138. I got this in, and I showed you guys these yesterday. So we have these two. That's in blue and mint and white and pink, and there's a tan, and these are super adorable too, and they're SP130. So check those out. I'm going to hop off. It's like raining here. My husband drove his convertible to work today, and he is so paranoid that his car is going to get destroyed. I think that's what he's calling me about. He loves his car. So find these on the website. You can find the direct links here on Facebook and on Instagram. If you have trouble finding anything, let me know. And as always, reach out if you need me. I appreciate all of you. Hopefully, one of my next lives will be talking about a restock on acrylic. Cross your fingers, please, because they just cannot get here soon enough. I know you guys need them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Go get some of these teepees and aviators. They are on sale, probably only for a couple of days, so get them while they're good. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one.